In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to creatively add and distort text using layers in your graphic design project. Whether you're crafting a dynamic poster, designing a captivating social media post, or simply exploring the fun possibilities of graphic design, learning how to manipulate text can open up a whole new world of visual storytelling. Let's begin by adding text on a new layer. The first thing you'll want to do is ensure your workspace is ready. Open your project and navigate to where you wish to add your text. In your Tools panel, you'll need to select the option to create a new layer. It's important that your site has its own space to allow maximum flexibility with the design. Once a new layer is established, go ahead and click on the Text tool. This tool will allow you to input any wording you've in mind. Type your text directly onto the canvas. You might want to experiment with the font and size at this early stage to suit the style and mood you're going for, so don't hesitate to play around with these options to get just the right look. Now, with your text fully inputted and your creative juices flowing, we are ready to apply some distortion effects to give your text that extra flair. With your text layer still active, let's head over to the Effects menu. Here, you'll find a universe of options, but for today's task, we're focusing on the Distort effects. First, let's explore the bulge effect, which will allow you to bend the text outward, creating a bubble-like appearance, or inward, giving it more of a concave feel. This can be quite handy for eye-catching titles or fun graphics. The beauty here is in the subtlety, so try adjusting the bulge amount slider between 0.3 and 0.6. This range can provide gentle curves that add just enough interest without overwhelming your design. Next, consider testing out the twist effect. This option spirals your text around its axis. It's perfect for injecting a bit of dynamic movement into otherwise static compositions. Again, moderation is key, so adjust the effect to see what fits best with your creative vision. Finally, if you're working with a plugin pack that includes perspective distortion, this is a fantastic way to skew your text as if it were emerging off the canvas in 3 dimensions. It's an advanced technique that can give your text depth and drama, making it leap off the page in a visually arresting way. With these effects, remember, there are no hard and fast rules. Exploration and experimentation are your allies in design. With each tweak, you move closer to mastering the art of text manipulation, transforming your everyday words into a visually stunning narrative.